Zoological Society of Mata Gujri College observed the World Cancer Day on 4th of Feb, taking the opportunity to raise awareness about cancer, advocate for equitable access to care, and celebrate the progress we have made in the fight against this devastating disease. This year's theme, Close the Care Gap, highlights disparities in access to cancer care that exist around the world. The goal is to ensure that everyone, regardless where they live, what their socioeconomic status is, should have access to quality cancer treatment and palliative care.
Knowledge is power. Let's break the silence around the disease. Let's get informed how cancer progressed and why early detection is critical in controlling the disease. How cancer spreads. Cancer cells can spread to other parts of the body. When cancer spreads, it is called metastasis. In metastasis, cells break away from a tumor and migrate through the blood and form new tumor to the other parts of the body. There are four stages of spreading cancer. In the beginning, cell divides more rapidly than normal and change form but stay in one place. If it is not detected early, then cancer reaches the fourth stage in which cell forms malignant tumor and undergo metastasis and spread to the other organs of body. So early detection saves life.
Let's understand the risk factors of this dangerous disease. Genes are responsible for that, but some other factors like diet, lifestyle, uses of drugs and chemicals, pollutants, alcohol, and tobacco uses.
Awareness ribbons are symbols meant to show support or raise consciousness for a cause. Let's understand various types of cancers along with ribbon depiction. Breast cancer. It is depicted by pink ribbon. It is one of the most common cancers that affect women. Breast cancer is when breast cells mutate or become cancerous cells that multiply and form tumors. Symptoms of breast cancer: change in size and shape of your breast, change in color of your breast, mass or lump, blood discharge or clear fluid discharge from your nipple. How it is diagnosed? It is diagnosed by self-examination and by doing mammography.
Teal and white ribbon is for cervical cancer, which is mostly caused by the human papilloma virus. Cervix is the lower, narrow end of the uterus, which connects the uterus to the vagina. Symptoms of the cervical cancer: abnormal bleeding after the intercourse or between periods. Vaccination for HPV in young girls can prevent the disease. The PAP test is a routine test for screening the cervical cancer.
Blood cancer is a type of cancer found in blood and bone marrow. This is caused due to abnormal rapid production of blood cells. This is depicted by red ribbon. Symptoms of blood cancers are bleeding, unexpected weight loss, night sweat, and fever. Risk factors of blood cancer are smoking, unexpected exposure to radiation, family history of leukemia.
Lung cancer or bronchogenic cancer is also known as malignant tumor of lung, which occurs within the wall of bronchus of lung. It occurs when the cells of the lung divide uncontrollably, causing tumors to grow. There are many factors which can contribute to the lung cancer, such as cigarette smoking, occupational carcinogens, and air pollution. Symptoms which are usually observed in the patient of lung cancer are chest pain, shortness of breath, vomiting, and weight loss.
Oral cancer is depicted by burgundy and white color ribbon. It is the cancer which develop in any part of the mouth, including the tongue. If the person feels the symptoms like pain in neck, ear, then the person should go for medical diagnosis or surgery. Gastrointestinal cancer. The rise in the cases of GI cancer, which includes food pipes, stomach, liver, pancreas, is alarming. The main reason of GI cancer are high intake of processed food, and obesity.
Black color ribbon represents the skin cancer, melanoma, in which UV rays damage the skin cells. Abnormal spots on skin, change in color, change in size, change in texture, and color of moles is an alarming signal.
As we know that many cancers are preventable, so take care of yourself. Eat healthy food, have good mental and physical health, avoid consumption of alcohol and tobacco, avoid unexpected exposure of sunlight and carcinogenic chemicals.
Cancer is a battle, not a death sentence. There are cancer warriors who refuse to let their cancer battles define to them. Remove the fear, offer support to those who are affected. Help a cancer patient to be a fighter with hope to win.
There is urgent need for action to raise awareness about cancer. The preventive measures, timely detection, and treatment of this deadly disease can help to reduce cancer burden.
Every single of us has the ability to make a difference, large or small, in generating awareness and making this world less burdened by cancer. Change begins with a ripple and ends with a wave.